Hi folks, and welcome to today's video, how to sleep with sciatica. Now, I make a lot of good content for those folks if they're suffering with low back pain problems such as herniated discs, bulging discs, sciatica nerve pain, lumbar stenosis, lumbar arthritis. If that is you, then hit that subscribe button. You get notified when I upload some great content to get you back on the road to recovery. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So folks, today I want to talk about sleeping positions when you are suffering from sciatica. Now, for the majority of people with sciatica, it's typically caused by a herniated disc. That's what I've had myself. I currently have still recovering from my second injury as well. And it's one question I get asked a lot by clients as to how best to position myself. Now, before I get them into the bed and they start positioning themselves, I like to do advise to do something before they actually get into the bed. So first thing is going to be either choice of two, okay? Put your legs up on either the side of the bed. I've got a chair here. Up on the side of the bed or legs in a wall. Just elevate the feet here. It basically takes the stress off the hip flexor muscles. And you're going to spend 5 to 10 minutes in this position before getting into the bed. So it's like a pre-bed preparation, okay? Now for some people, this gives some relief to the sciatica nerve pain. So I would say, okay, do this 5 to 10 minutes before you get into bed, and then we go through the sleep positions. For other people, they tend to find that a Mckenzie type maneuver, which is where you lie face down. We use this mat here. Now I'm probably going to lose my microphone in a second, but you want to lie face down in this position here. And I like to do head on top of the hands like so. So it's a closed fist, forehead on the fists, breathing. And that could be for 5, 7, up to 10 minutes if you feel comfortable. And basically, whatever one works for you to give you some relief from the sciatica nerve pain. That's the kind of pre-bed preparation before you get into the bed, okay? Now the sciatica nerve pain itself, you want to make sure your sleeping position is adjusted, that you get relief from that pain, which will allow you to sleep, because sleep is one way basically recover with the body, goes through the recovery process as well. All right, so we're going to jump now to the bedroom to show you those exact sleeping positions and tips. So folks, I'm going to focus now on the best positions once you get into bed that's going to be effective for you to get some pain relief from your sciatica. So you've prepared the body. I've actually got another separate video on how to get in and out of the bed. I don't want to make this video too long. So that video is going to pop up at the end of this one. So make sure you go and check it. It's going to tell you how to get in and out of bed safely with sciatica and or back pain, okay? Now, here I am in the bed, and the ideal position for me would be on my back. So when I lie down like so, in my bed. Now, depending on where the actual herniation disc bulge can be, compression on your nerve, you may find if the bed is very firm, you actually get, when you lie flat, you'll get some extension in your spine, okay? And very often you might need a pillow or two to go under the knees or legs to help elevate the legs, take stress off of your hip flexor muscles and flatten out your spine. So I'm going to need another pillow for this, so I'll use my kind assistant. Great. Now, I'm going to put one pillow under. Now, it can go under the knees or it can go in front. Now, I'm going to need one other pillow, actually. Fantastic. Now, this one will go here because some people do prefer, and I'm just going to take that last pillow as well. Great stuff, because I'll need that as well. Now, some people prefer under the knees. Some people prefer to have it under the calf, so the lower leg region. So like here, okay? That's very much for you to decide what position is going to be best for you. Now, if this gives you pain relief, fantastic, you'll get that sleep. Sleep, of course, is where we heal. You need that sleeping time, okay? For some people, though, side sleeping is best. Now, if you prefer the side sleeping position, I want to show you a couple of tips for the side. Now, when I rotate on to my side, like so, the pelvis, my pelvis here, will tend to roll in, or I can create different positions in my spine. For most people, taking a pillow, generally a larger pillow, placing it between the knees, like so, will give more sort of stable, level pelvic position and will give you some relief. You may also need a pillow here as a sort of support for your spine to hold on to. You may need to fold the pillow here to create more of a sort of higher sort of wedge in there. And you may also want your legs, especially if you've got stenosis, you want the knees to come up towards you like the fetal position. Now myself, when my sciatica was at its worst, because I have a right-sided, slight to the right herniation, for me it was actually better to sleep on my on my left side, not my right side. Why? When I sleep on this side, I have a little bit of side flexion, like this of my lumbar spine, and that generally would help to sort of bring the herniation in and away from the touching of the nerve, because my sciatica is on my right side, okay? So this is also another good position. Perhaps for you, it's going to be on the right side, okay? But use as many pillows as you need to get comfortable for that night's sleep. Now, some people do actually do best on their front, believe it or not. So you're going to lose me when I go into this position here. But some people, again, depending on where the herniation bulge is positioned in the lumbar spine, they get better relief from the front position. And some people actually require front position with a leg movement up. So I'm going to show you now. I'm going to disappear because, of course, my microphone is in front here. So I'm going to lie face down. Turn your head. So that leg up one position sometimes feels very favorable for some people. Sometimes face down, head turn, leg up the other position, okay? So it's about using pillows as support, as tools to help you get into the best position. You can use as many pillows as you need to, because sleep is where your body recovers. You get that chance to actually get some rest, okay? So you can perform your activities the next day. And it is a lot of just trial and error to find that best position. But generally, on the back, pillows under the legs is number one. Side sleeping, pillow between the knees is number two. And then if all else fails, typically for some people, lying face down with the pillow. Sometimes there is actually a pillow under the waist can also help. So we go into again, we're going to go front position here. I'll put one pillow here. And this one is actually face down, pillow under the hips. So that too has also helped some of my clients get into a good resting position to get that nice sleep. Okay, guys, listen. Any questions, comments on sleeping positions when dealing with sciatica herniated discs, please hit me up in the comment section down below. Don't forget, if you are struggling out there with your own low back pain issues, sciatica nerve pain, hit me up for a free advice call. It's down there. There's a link down below. You can book in for a call. And I take time. We have an hour or so together. I chat over some stuff you can try. Send you an email with some work to do. See how you get on. And it is a truly free advice call to try to get you back on the road to pain-free recovery. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, of course. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.